It's 1:41 a.m. Making my way back east and north. We'll look at the steam from the volcano blowing across the road here. This is where the road was damaged, fractured by some earthquakes, and they repaired it with steel plates. And it was just reopened 8 o'clock yesterday morning. And coming up on the roadblock into Leilani Estates. Actually, that's I believe the first entry there. But the main entrance into Leilani Estates, which is the neighborhood where the eruption is going on, that entrance and roadblock is coming up in 1 mile. A little further back, before I got into this cone zone, there was an electronic sign saying, "Keep windows up and do not stop." So Fissure 8 is currently 2.3 miles to the east-northeast as we come up upon Leilani Estates. So I'm going to go up to a few miles ahead, and then it looks like there's a road that goes uphill into another subdivision. And I'm thinking maybe up there will be a view looking down, because that is directly west of the eruption. So coming up now on Leilani Avenue, the entrance into the Leilani Estates neighborhood, and you'll see there should be a checkpoint on the right. I believe the whole area is cordoned off, mandatory evacuation. And yeah, there we have this National Guard person coming across from the Porta Johns to the checkpoint. And from here, Fissure 8 is 2.1 miles to the east. I can see the sky glowing to my right, but we'll go up ahead a few miles and see if we can get a better vantage point. So I'm heading up Kilauea Homestead Road, and this is going to turn into a one-lane road here. The place I want to get for a potential lava viewpoint is 2.4 miles ahead. .54 a.m. Here on the one-lane Kilauea Homestead Road, and I've reached the point where I am due west of the eruption site, and unfortunately there's just not much of an overlook. It's just too much forest in the way again. So this is proving to be a dud, unfortunately. Sorry, I'm trying to get the GPS up here. So from here it's 3.9 miles to Fissure 8, so I was a lot closer on my hike, and downslope to the roadblock at Hawaii 130 and Leilani Avenue, 1.8 miles. So nothing too exciting up here, so I guess at this point I will set course back to my condo on the west side and call it a day here, as it comes up on 2 a.m. Some views of the sky over the eruption zone as I head down Kilauea Homestead Road back to the town of Pahoa, and then on onward from there back to Hawaii Belt Road. And from there, probably back toward Hilo and the Saddle Road, Cross Island to Kona. Alright, now the orange glow is moving off to the right side now. Now coming upon some incident scene here. Looks like there may have been a collision there. Okay, continuing north on 130, I think it's 5.5 miles back to Hawaii 11, Hawaii Belt Road. That'll take me toward Hilo, and then from there it'll be westbound on the Saddle Road over to the Kona